Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect your Aimoon Wireless CarPlay Adapter step by step. First, start your car and wait for the screen to fully turn on. Next, plug the Aimoon adapter into your car's USB port, the same one you normally use for wired CarPlay. If your car uses USB-C, just use the adapter included in the box. Once plugged in, wait for the light on the device to turn on. That means it's ready. Now grab your phone, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi in your settings. Go to Bluetooth and look for a new device, tap the adapter name when it appears, then press pair. Allow the permissions and when you see the option tap use CarPlay. After a few seconds, CarPlay will show up on your car screen, no cable needed. If it doesn't connect, try restarting the adapter, turning off other Bluetooth devices or reconnecting again. And that's it, super easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.